Missing just a few advanced questions can be the difference between passing and failing the GitHub Copilot exam. Many candidates study the documentation but still struggle with real certification-style scenarios. This video is designed for anyone preparing for the GitHub Copilot exam. You'll challenge yourself with realistic practice questions and exam-focused explanations that show not only the correct answers, but also the reasoning behind them. The exam measures your ability to use GitHub Copilot effectively across different development environments, apply AI-assisted coding responsibly, improve productivity, and follow security and governance best practices. Every question is designed to reflect the complexity and decision-making required on the actual certification exam. Question 1. A development team notices GitHub Copilot repeatedly suggests code that references deprecated internal APIs. What is the most effective long-term approach? A. Disable GitHub Copilot permanently. B. Ignore outdated suggestions. C. Modernize repositories. Copilot. D. Report every suggestion manually. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Explanation. GitHub Copilot generates suggestions based on available context and learned coding patterns. Maintaining clean repositories, removing deprecated implementations, and improving repository quality helps Copilot generate more relevant suggestions over time. Simply disabling Copilot or ignoring suggestions does not solve the underlying issue. Question 2. A company wants developers to benefit from GitHub Copilot while minimizing accidental exposure of sensitive information. Which strategy best supports this goal? A. Allow unrestricted prompts. B. Enforce policies and educate developers. C. Disable repository permissions. D. Require developers to rewrite every suggestion. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Responsible AI usage combines governance, user education, repository permissions, and secure prompting practices. Developers should avoid including confidential information in prompts while organizations establish policies for acceptable use. Question 3. A developer receives multiple Copilot suggestions that compile successfully but violate the team's coding standards. What should the developer do? A. Accept the first suggestion. B. Disable Copilot. C. Assume compiled code is production ready. D. Review, modify, and validate. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer. D. Explanation. GitHub Copilot assists developers. It does not replace engineering judgment. Every generated suggestion should be reviewed for correctness, maintainability, security, performance compliance with organizational coding standards. If you're finding these questions useful, consider practicing with a larger collection of regularly updated practice questions and realistic practice tests available at searchhero.com. Consistent practice with exam-style questions is one of the best ways to identify knowledge gaps before exam day. Question 4. Which GitHub Copilot capability provides the greatest productivity improvement during large-scale code refactoring? A. AI-assisted code changes. B. Automatic repository backup. C. Manual syntax highlighting. D. Static code formatting only. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer, A. Explanation. GitHub Copilot excels at understanding surrounding code context and generating meaningful code modifications, making refactoring significantly faster while still requiring developer review. Question 5. During a security review, a developer notices Copilot-generated authentication logic. What should happen before deployment? A. Deploy immediately. B. Assume AI-generated code is secure. C. Review, test, and validate. D. Ignore authentication concerns. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer, C. Explanation. AI-generated code must undergo the same security reviews as manually written code. Developers should verify authentication, authorization, input validation, dependency security, secure coding practices before production deployment. Question 6. Which practice helps GitHub Copilot produce more accurate code suggestions? A. Write vague prompts. B. Provide clear context. C. Minimizing available context. D. Accepting every suggestion without review. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Prompt quality directly impacts Copilot output. Clear comments, descriptive variable names, well-structured code, and sufficient context enable GitHub Copilot to generate more accurate and useful suggestions. Excellent work! Today you practiced advanced GitHub Copilot exam questions covering repository context, responsible AI usage, governance, security, prompt engineering, and productivity best practices. These are some of the most important topics to master before attempting the GH-300 certification. If you're preparing to pass on your first attempt, visit certshero.com for realistic practice tests, comprehensive question banks, and regularly updated study resources. If you enjoyed this video, let us know your score in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more advanced GitHub Copilot practice questions. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your exam preparation. We'll see you in the next video.